Let's go!
Our bag is colored. This is from my ate.
So, first,
And this is my tumbler.
This is my tumbler.
Pink and purple. Okay, let's
Pakita mo sa mong wallet.
Okay.
Where's my mom wallet?
This is my wallet. So cute.
This is my wallet. So big. So big. And look at the
And my keychain. This is my keychain.
Sulot sa wallet. Sulot sa wallet.
This is my food too. Like the.
I have a lot of money here.
And this is my ID and my grade 9. My money is Sincelio.
Don't appeal us. We have ID here.
And this is our pictures, passport pictures. Here's my passport. Like that. Oh. Diba?
Then next,
The picture.
our kids, our mga
Our clips, them have two here inside my here. This is my clips. This is from my mother.
this was from my friend. This is from my sister.
This is my keychain. My family picture. Like that. My anek-anek. My pin from and also I have clip like this. This is also from my mom. That is Nobi and Dumapias, our best friend. This is Nobi and Dumapias, our best friend. I have a lot of anik-anik. Yes, like that.
I do have a lot of ball pens.
I have
Hindi na siya mga gi.
my hand cream. Thank you, Ate Nelsie. And I have one blue
Napkin glue, baro.
and from the Baro. And this is my
Color. So cute.
and this is my AirPod. This is my AirPod from TikTok.
This is my baon.
From TikTok.
This is my baon. Comment section.
Nasa comment section ang link.
This is my ball pen from Ayona Ruiz, Luzon. And this is my sulat. And this is my ball pen from my tita Enya from abroad. This is my perfume.
Wala na pangit. Okay, let's go to the big this is my money. This is my honey peanut honey. So spicy, guys. This is my payong from my ate. This is from my ate. This is my bed dress, my balunan, nawala na yung balon. Yeah. Also, I have a lot of pads, like, and I have this.
Kani panty liner. Kana lang.
And I have cellophane. I have also a mouthwash. And that's it. That is our vlog. See you next vlog. Vlog ka!